Oh my God, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to tell you that I think I finally got my camera settings right. I'm still using this old mic, but it's okay, it's all right. Is this not so much better than last week's video? I got a monitor over there. I just got off work. I got off early, so I figured I would film a video real quick. I think I need to like clean my face off before we start this video. I also need to shave my mustache off, probably, because today we're doing the tiny face challenge. I don't really like the pink background anymore. It kind of just gives me like Pepto-Bismol vibes, but it's millennial pink, so we're gonna go with it today. But when we come back, I might change it. You know what? Let's change it. No, leave it. No, change it. No, leave it. No, change it. I don't know. What should I do? Should I change it? This is just too much. I just can't. Wait, what am I doing today? Tiny face challenge. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. We're gonna leave it. Okay, I'll be right back. I did it. I changed my background. I couldn't help it. I just had to. Also, I adjusted my settings a little bit differently, so we'll see how this works. I shaved a little right here. We're gonna try to cover that up a little bit more. I did not want to completely get rid of my beard because I go to work. It's just not a good look for me. Today we are doing the tiny face challenge. Let's get started. I think it's safe to say that last week's video was terrible. The editing, the quality, the exposure, everything was bad. This one, I'm feeling a little bit better about. I watched Jamie French's Tiny Face Challenge, and I really was amused by it, and I really want to try it. This background's like a puke color, is it not? Oof. I think I finally found my perfect shade in foundation. I'm back on the Maybelline. We tried the Il Maquillage. We tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got the Wet n Wild and a few others. It's just always back to Maybelline. I'm going to put on some moisturizer and primer. Let's just do a little bit of gel cream from Neutrogena. For primer, we're gonna use our Maybelline Master Blur Stick. I don't know if they quit selling these or quit making these, but it was hard to find this. Let's take a little bit of the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, put it right in the middle, and kind of work our way out. And then we're gonna take our Maybelline Master Blur Stick and go around the outer corners. But since we're doing a tiny face challenge, guys, remember, we gotta make our face really, really tiny. So let's start up here. We're gonna put it right here. We wanna kind of create cheeks right here. Let's take our damp beauty sponge and blend that down. Here, let me zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. There, is that better? You can see it a little bit better. Closer to you so I can see you better. We're gonna take our Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is shade 238 Rich Tan. Now this, guys, I believe is my perfect shade. It sat in my Amazon cart for the longest time, but see, it's a nice skin color. See, it just blends right in with my skin tone. Isn't that crazy? Look, that's crazy to me. It's so crazy. We're gonna take some on here. Ooh, this thing's a little bit dusty. We're gonna have some dust in our makeup. We have our product. I hope my beard does not get in the way of this challenge. Let me look at you while I'm blending. I'm gonna go ahead and get these eyebrows out the way real quick. I'm just gonna do some quick brows because it's not about the brows, you know? It's about the face. I just wanna get this step out of the way. Woo, sick. Them things came down a couple miles. We're gonna go ahead and highlight a little bit. I'm gonna use a brush to blend this down. To help draw on our nose and stuff, we're gonna use our little trusty e.l.f. cream contour palette. I haven't broke this out in a long time. I'm gonna use a paintbrush. I'm gonna use a really fine tip paintbrush for this. I'm gonna try to start this right here, like that. I'm trying to create the perfect little tiny nose. I'm gonna try to use this little L'Oreal True Match thing. Yeah, see? Yeah. Why am I having so much trouble with this? This is a crooked ass nose. What the hell? Whose nose is this? This ain't nobody's nose. What the hell? Let's take some butter bronzer. Bronze this up a little bit. Okay, moving on. Nobody's nose should look like this. I'm going to get my conspiracy palette out because I want to use Diet Root Beer and Tanacon. See? These two right here. That'll be good little contour colors, right? Yes. What I'm doing is trying to hollow out my cheeks. Time for the fun part. Let's draw on my mouth. We're gonna need to like go down a little bit for this one. What a terrible mouth. We're gonna use our James Charles palette. We're gonna do a real quick eye look. Nothing too fancy. We're just gonna deepen the crease up a little bit. On the outer lid, we're gonna go in with a little bit of a darker shade. On the inner corner, we're gonna take a nice white flashback. Where would the blush go? Okay, let's color in the lips with a little bit of pink rose. Maybe that will bring it together a little bit. I said pink rose. I'm not. This is BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen. I don't know what shade. It's just a pink red shade. Has good coverage though. Really great coverage. Oh my God. I'm gonna use my Tarte Fake Awake on my inner corners of my eyes. I don't wanna touch my makeup, so I'm just gonna do this. Let's do some liner. Bet you I can't get the other side the same. It's not exactly the same, but it'll do. For lashes, I'm just gonna throw on something on the outer corners real quick. I don't wanna go too crazy with the lashes, you know? We learned our mistake last time. Need a little something to put on the inside. Okay, that's cute. Okay, hold on. Oh, does it recognize my face? Oh, I thought this was not gonna work, you guys. I thought for sure this was not gonna work. That was the tiny face challenge. I really doubted myself, but you guys, I really pulled this one off out the motherfucking bag, bitch. What's her name? Her name is Olga. Hey, Olga. Olga is very happy with you. Olga. This was fun. This was real fun. I'm glad I did this. Joder! If you guys enjoyed this, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I didn't enjoy the process, but I enjoyed this part. This part is funny. This is funny as fuck. Yeah, okay, I'm turning off the camera. I might be back, I might not. Love you guys. If you don't see me again, I'll see you next week. Bye.